Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss about one of the important topic in object-oriented programming language, that is inheritance. I, Aditi Purohit, Assistant Professor in Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. So let's discuss about the inheritance. First, we will give a definition about inheritance. Basically, inheritance is a process by which object of one class acquire the property of object of another class. The class from which property are inherited is called base class. Base class is also known as parent class, and the class to which property the class to which property are inherited is called derived class, and derived class is also known as child class. Then types of inheritance. There are basically 5 types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance. When a derived class inheriting the property of single base class, then this type of inheritance is single inheritance. Then multiple inheritance. A derived class inheriting the property of more than one base class, then it is multiple inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Deriving a class from another derived class is known as multi-level inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, several classes can inherit the property of from a single base class. Then hybrid inheritance. Hybrid is basically combination of 2 or more types of inheritance. This is the diagram of types of inheritance. First, single inheritance. In single inheritance, a class is derived from a single base class. A class is derived from a single base class, then it is known as single inheritance. And when then comes multiple inheritance. Here the diagram of multiple inheritance is given. Here a derived class can inherit the property of more than one base class. Here D is single derived class, and it inherit the property of class A, class B, and class C. More than one base class are there, and only a single derived class is there, then it is multiple inheritance. Then multi-level. In multi-level inheritance, a derived class can acquire the property of another base class, then it is multi-level. Hierarchical inheritance. When we have more than one derived class and it acquires the property of single base class, then it is known as hierarchical inheritance. Then hybrid is combination of 2 or more types of inheritance. Then comes inheritance concept. Here polygon is a class and rectangle and triangle are the another class. Each class have its own data members and member function. Here class is polygon. It has data members like private data members, number of vertices, x coordinate and y coordinate. Then in public, member functions are there. Void set is a member function. Then another class is class rectangle. Here data members and member function are given below. And triangle is another class. Here data members and member functions are given. Here class rectangle acquires the property of class polygon. So for inheritance we are using a double colon. Here How we can define the drive class? For drive class, we have to use the class keyword, then drive class name. Here rectangle is a drive class, which acquire the property of polygon. So double colon stands for inheritance. Here access specifier of base class, and polygon is the base class name. Then body of class is open. Then in public area, data members and member function are defined, and then base class are derived. In the next, class triangle acquire the property of polygon class. Class triangle inherit polygon, public polygon. Data members are defined. Then base class is defined, and class triangle is protected, and data members and member functions are defined. Here inheritance concept is given by the other example. Point is a base class. Circle and 3D point are the drive classes. Here circle class acquire the property of point class. Data members are defined private, and class point is a base class. Here data members and member functions are defined, and class circle acquire the point member function. Here 3D point also acquire the property of point base class. Inheriting concept augmented the original class. It is specializing the original class. Here for an example, complex number is given. It acquires the property of real number, and imaginary number acquires the property of complex given number. By inheritance, process by which object of one class acquire the property of object of another class. The class from which property are inherited is called the base class, and the class to which property are inherited are called drive class. It building class type from existing class type, and it defines a new class type to be specialization and augmentation of existing class. Here class derivation, 3D point inherit the property of public point. Data members and member functions are defined, and here sphere is also defined. What to inherit? In principle, every member of base class is inherited by the derived class, just with different access permission. Here access over the control member, base class, superclass and parent class member goes to drive class, subclass, child class, and drive class, subclass, child class are derived from the base class. Two levels of access control over class member, class definition and inheritance type. Here class derivation is defined. Class base class is class mother, have data members in protected, public data members and private data members. Class daughter, here we are access derivation, protected member, protected mother, private data members and public data members. Void data member functions are given in that particular class. What to inherit? In principle, every member of a base class is inherited by the derived class, just with different permanent exceptions. There are exceptions for constructor and destructor friend functions. Since all these functions are class specific, the default constructor and destructor of base class are always called when an object of derived class is created or destroyed. Here it is given the example. Class A defines, then public constructor is defined. In constructor, we are using cout a default, and a int a having a one parameter, cout parameter a. Then class B inherits the property of class A, public int a b handle. Then object of base class is defined. B test1 is output a default and B. You can also specify the constructor of base class other than a default constructor. Here default constructor is defined in another base class. define its own data member. Derived class can also be defined its own member in addition of member inherited from the base class. Its own property can also be derived from. A derived class can override method depend on its parent class with overriding. The method in the subclass have identical signature to the method in base class. And the subclass implement its own version of base class. This is the access method which we are defining in the another class. That's it for today. Thank you.